Yo, what's good? Yo, my crazy on awesome. Holy shit, boss. Alright, well, we're gonna start this like we do every other time that we make something like this. We're gonna start it the same way we always do. And you know what that is? So, they added the doctor. It's not too bad. And they added time stop. I am very interested in this. So I'm going to gamble. Yeah. Again, now if you don't know, last time I got Lightning God. Super easy. Like after 3 rolls, no luck or whatever, bruh. I don't even know how to get luck. Maybe like, how do you get luck? I don't even know. But whatever. We're gonna just hope and pray that I can get time stop, because that'd be absolutely sick. Like literally sick. And if I don't get it, this game hates me. I don't know why. Parkour specialist, that's new, right? I can't roll again. Yeah, 32, that's fine, cool. Alright. Wow! No! 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 Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's... Huh? Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god! Let's go! Let's go! Y'all are bums! Y'all are bums! Oh my god! Come on, I can get aggro. Yeah, get killed, boy! Stop teaming in bathroom, nerd! Ah! Teamers! Oh my god! No, I got hit by that! Okay, so we suck. Let's see, can I do this? No, I cannot. Well, that sucks. So I guess we're going in with Lightning God. Oh, so you can like become a guard now, I believe. I think. Should I join a voice chat server? Maybe. 200. I can get this to level. Theoretically, I can get this to level 5. You know what? We'll get it to level 5. We got that. Oh wow, I have dashing now. So tough. Oh, so I have like 30 seconds to pick a power. Wow! Nobody and nobody. 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 Team up on JC. Yo, whoa, what did my boy JC do to you? So I can change that power. Nah. I don't think I wanna change off Lightning God. I kinda want a Quicksilver, cause that like seems like heck of fun. I'll get it, I promise. Ooh, that's so tough, twin. Alright, I have an idea, I'm gonna play the hero here. Get on people's sides, you know? Huh. Okay, that's fair. I'm gonna try to like do this. We'll make it white actually. Dang! Yo! Yo! Just got slime! Bro got slimed! Get this real quick. I kinda wanna be a D1 troll. Oh no! I got shots! Oh, we got a minute 50. We chillin'. We got a minute 50. How did bro just not get pushed? Nah, you're not doing that to me, boy. Oh. Nope. Okay. Oh, that sounds horrible. Nope. No! Oh yeah, 52 seconds? Oh yeah, I'm going back out there. Oh, little doggy. I got him killed. Oh no, you see this guy? He got pushed out. If I pop Lightning Awakening while being shot by the gun, do I get like hyper armor and I can like, you know, live? Type. So I heard there was Sky Game now, and I'm really interested in that because I want to play Sky Game and like get Sky Game, but we'll see what I can do here. But yeah, y'all went crazy on the last video I did about in-game, bro. Holy. Now I have no teammate now. I had Banana Man, so now I'm teammateless. Oh my god, I'm having a headache. It sounds so bad. Just like a cigarette or something. I don't even know. What? What is going on in chat? Mommy team member died. What do you mean? What? Although, I'm kind of curious, did they change how lightning works? Because I know we have a lightning awakening ability now. Does it still auto-pop or no? I liked when it auto-popped, but then again, I also didn't like when it auto-popped. Cause like on Laird like green and it like auto pop. Come on, somebody be funny here.
Let's go, guys!
Let's go, guys! You right, twin! We got this!
Valgona? So everything is the same so far. Nothing too crazy yet. Rip what? Team member? Yo, bro, okay, y'all are saying the craziest stuff. Yo, please tell me this guy has voice chat, bro. Mueco? Or wait, is it Mark or Mueco? I can't tell. Where's the guy? I don't know where he is. He's somewhere. Bro, y'all are going crazy in chat. It's MRAG. Ew. Ah, this is easy. Yeah, this is easy. This is easy. Ooh, that's so tough. Watch this. I'm like amazing at this, by the way. I'm so crazy with this. I think. Maybe not. I hope so. Okay, maybe I'm not as crazy as I thought. Maybe I need to lower my ego. Bro, I want to get the CC requirements for this game so bad, cause honestly, I feel like I'm pretty up there, man. But I don't know what the CC requirements are. I was told by a unnamed YouTuber who I won't say anymore because they got exposed for doing horrible things that I made a video with. I know she said during the video that it was like 20K, so I'm hoping I can get there eventually. Probably not right now, but soon. I kind of missed making that video because we saw that she had like the CC tag and we low-key just like targeted her the entire game, and it was so funny because my whole entire objective that entire game was to kill her the entire time, and then I killed her when it was in Mingle. That's tough. Honestly, if I get hider, if we play a hide and seek, if I get hider, I'm like low-key just like not even hiding. I'm low-key just like running and like stuff like that. Cause I got Lightning Awakening. I'm like, I'm chilling, you know. Is that Phantom set? I think it is. Sweet. Yo, they changed the bathrooms. Hey, that's tough. That anime was the best anime that I've ever watched. Alright, sweet, let's out. Sweet. Oh no, get me out! One person dead already. Dead. Oh, they're dead. Cool, sweet, I killed him. I saw that guy run to the bathroom. Like the bathroom's just a death trap of doom at this point. Come on, I can get aggro. Yeah, get killed, boy! Stop teaming in bathroom, nerd! Ah! Teamers! Oh my god, no, I got hit by that! Ah! I'm out this. I'm out this. Oh god, I'm out this. Yep. Yep. Lightning Awakening right there. No, does that recharge? It does not look like it. It looks like it is a one-time ability. Okay, that was probably the right time to use it. I was pooping on them. Yo. That killed so many people. Yo, I think I killed like 7 people there. That's so tough. Oh, hide and seek for sure. No, Lightning Awakening does. Wait, maybe I'm tripping. No, I think it does. Does it? Oh, it does. It does. It does. Oh my god, they buffed it. Yo, they made it so that you could use Lightning Awakening maybe twice. Yo, that's so tough. Yo, wait, that's actually so tough. Is Garfield still in here? Wait, no, I think I killed Garfield. Nah, bro, they're all teaming, bruh. I play solo, it's just like... So, you know. I genuinely hope I get higher. Like, genuinely, I hope I get higher. I think I'm Seeker, because I'm winning first. No, I win in second, so I'm higher. Uh-oh. Okay, so Lightning Awakening does recharge. Oh my god. They buffed Lightning God. Yes! Oh my goodness. Let's go. They buffed Lightning God? That did not need to be buffed, bruh. Can I push? No. They did not need to buff Lightning God, bro. What were they thinking? So yeah, I get, wait, I forgot. First person to go in gets Hider or Seeker? I don't remember. I think I'm gonna get Hider, cause that's how it works. First person to go in gets, oh, okay, so second person to go in gets Seeker. I wanted Hider though, I wanted action. Alright. Guess we're seeking today. 7 Hiders? Oh wow, this is gonna be a pain. Gaming? Ah, that's crazy. Am I playing in a Spanish server? It's crazy work. Alright, hide and seek time. hear people getting killed, but I don't know where. There's just gotta be like one hider just hiding somewhere, right? Bruh, I cannot die as a killer, bruh. Five hiders? No! I'm cooked. I can't. That's a killer. Okay. Minutes, bro. Somebody's got to be somewhere. Dead, bro. Down ya! Wait, does that count as my kill? It does. Let's go, bruh. Now I'm just killing to kill other seekers. Interesting. He has Quicksilver. Wait, does he? Ah, he's good. Cooked, bro. Let's go. Survived hide and seek? I've survived hide and seek like 200 times. What do you mean I get another award? Have I not survived hide and seek before? My god, my Lightning Awakening is back? So I can pop it again. You're telling me I can pop it again. Oh my god, they buffed it. That's so tough. That's actually so tough. That's actually so tough. That's actually so tough. Is this glass bridge or is it sky? Oh, it's jump rope. Can I dash on jump rope? Nah. Sweet, let's go. Hey, let's see if I still got it, bruh. I might not got it. Sweet. Oh, you can't dash. Oh, this is gonna be a pain. Get up. I'll just make it. Let's go! I still got it in me, bro, after so long. Let's freaking go. There's only 5 people left. I take that back. There's only 4 people left. So, do we play Squid game now? Why could I carry this person? Let me carry, twin. Let me carry, twin. Why? I've won jump rope before. Why do I keep getting more achievements? Is this like new in game? No, because it has lightning wheel. What is going on, bro? 4 people. Yo, I just realized that one guy's name, bro. What? Yo, that guy's name is crazy. Nah. What the heck? Off. Username. Roblox. Roblox, we got moderation, right? No, I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna say, oh, that's a bitch move. Yeah, then you go, boy. Come on, twin. You got this. Yeah, I'm hoping Dino or that guy on the bridge right now gets banned, so that we have one less person. I mean, somebody's gotta go. Yeah, that's hilarious. Dashing is disabled, oh. Whoa! Yeah, we're forcing him to go. Yep. Interesting. How do you miss the middle? He revived! We got a minute. Somebody's gotta go. It's not gonna be me. There we go. Easy peasy. Just like that. Easy peasy.
You can't catch me.
Oh! We're continuing. No doubt about it. And if we don't continue, I'm pissed off. Who is not skipping, bro? We are not splitting, bro. That is no money. Keep playing. Yeah, you're outvoted already. I think we're playing Squid game now. Let's go. Maybe does old Squid game still exist or no? Or maybe we're playing Mingle? I don't know, who knows? Oh, we're playing Mingle. Oh, okay. This could be fire. I've got a one-tap auto grip, which is gonna be kinda tough. I got a one-tap move. Yep, this game is fair when you get Lightning God. Dude, I can't believe Lightning God got buffed with Lightning Awakening, bro. So who voted to rebel? You know, it's actually kind of funny. I've never done a rebellion in this game yet. Which is honestly ironic. Well, not really. I never vote to. Did he vote to stop or continue? I have no idea. I can't see. Still, I have no idea. Was he using a... Is he? Is he? No. Am I even looking at the wrong guy? I'm looking at the wrong guy. No, but he has the thing that hides if he's a hider or not. Team you, me, and white? Oh, this is tough. Wow! No! 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 Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's... Huh? Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god! Let's go! Let's go! Y'all are bums! Y'all are bums! Oh my god! No way! What? Nah, that's crazy. Nah. That's crazy, bruh. Nah, that's crazy. Yeah, that's actually crazy. We're playing Sky. Bottle, right? Yeah, bottle. Alright, sweet. This is where Lightning Awakening found out. Oh, what?
For the Ink Nation.
Hold on, I got this turn. Of course. Of course they're teaming on me though. Gotta gain inside control real quick. Nope. Of course. I don't need to do lightning yet. With lag, is dead ass saving him. Oh. Popping. He's dead, right? Cool. Let's go! Now we play Sky, right? Or is it just gonna be regular because we don't have enough people? I think I remember the method for regular Squid games. It's just wait for them to dash and then dash and kill them. I think it might be regular Squid game. Let's do it! Let's get it! Oh, that's just regular. How do I get the special? How do you get Sky? I don't even know, bro. California girls are unforgettable. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top. How does it feel to reach the end and see everyone Mori? What? What are you talking about, my good sir? Alright, we can skip this, bro. Oh, so this is the kid who's not skipping stuff. Right. Wait, I forgot you can just like summon stuff. Oh yeah, epic game battle music. Sounds like something straight out of FNAF. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, that sounds oddly like FNAF for some reason, bro. Alright, this is easy. Wait for him to attack first and then... Oh, I think he knows. Oh, maybe. Okay, I'm washed. I'll bait him out. Yup. Oh, okay. I got punished for that. Lovely.
Get out of here, boy.
Ah! Boom! Oh, we had the same idea. Okay. he put it down. Ah! Why is this just... What? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, nah, I don't know what this guy's doing. What are you doing? I'm sorry, I don't... I don't know what that was. What? Alright, well, I guess, you know, I come back from a 3-week break from this game, and I come back and I just instantly win. I guess I'm just built different. The story never changes. Now, my question is, how do I play Sky Game? I want to play it. Maybe I'll play in my next video, because I'm just going to use this footage for this video, but my next video, I'll play Sky Game for show. Sweet, so how much do I win? Let's see this sucker. Oh, well, it already tells me. Wow, guys, I won like 700 Robux worth. Or 800. Well, I add to my 7 wins in a row. 8 wins in a row, baby. Let's go. Yeah. Alright, well, that's all for me. I'll see you on the next one. Remember, we playing Sky Game next one. For show, for show.